Hello everyone, this is Rich from Light Street Creations, and I wanted to do a quick review of this Trend Air Stealth half mask respirator. First off, I want to say that it's pretty good. It's a good idea to have a respirator on if you're doing wood turning or woodworking, because there's a lot of dust that can get everywhere. I wear a respirator. This thing is pretty nice. You can turn these little knobs and let me see if I can take it apart. You can take it apart and then you'll have the filter, which you can see my filter is pretty dirty. So it has the filters in there. And it does a pretty good job. It says it filters out 99.99% of particles down to zero point 0.3 microns, which is nice. So it does a pretty good job. There are better masks out there, but this was less than, I think, 40 bucks. I think I have another one on the way for a specific reason. I don't like these straps. I think it was like 25 bucks for the new one that I got. I don't like these straps. I think they improved them, but it goes on over your face just like that. I don't have any issues with my beard. And it fits underneath my wood turning mask, which is like a face shield. So it fits underneath that. So I don't have any issues with that. So all in all, I would say it's a pretty good little respirator for what it is, 25 bucks. And you can get it on Amazon or Woodcraft, and it does a good job. The only thing I don't like is the straps. I wish they improve them, but I think the new one has better straps. So that is it. Let me set my stuff down. And thanks for watching.